How to stream with sound on Discord. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can fix screen share audio not working on Discord. So in order to fix screen share audio not working on Discord, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. There might be several different reasons why this kind of issue occurs. Along with that, there are also multiple different ways to fix it. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest way on how you can do it. So first thing, you'll need to launch your Discord application. On this page, you need to go to the connector. So in order to get this interface, you'll need to go and tap on your icon in the left hand sidebar. After that, go to voice connector. Once on that, click on share your screen. Now if you just tap on share screen, and after that you'll be able to see two different options, that is applications or share screens. So you need to tap on applications to open the game that you actually play, and after that you can go to settings and check whether you've enabled full screen or not. Sometimes not enabling the full screen, this might be an issue. Now apart from it, if you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is you can go to general settings. So for that you need to go to the gear icon, gear right over here, and here you'll be able to see this kind of. So scroll down a bit and go to general settings. So for that, click on the gear icon located next to user. After that, you can see this kind of interface. Here you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to head over to the section of voice and video. Scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see an option as screen share. So what you need to do is, if you have enabled screen share, then try to turn it off, and that might be able to fix the issue. Or it is turned off, then you can just simply toggle it on, and this might also be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working, then what you can do is you can simply log out of your Discord application and then reinstall your Discord application once again, and then restart your device once again. That might be able to solve the issue all at once. So these were the method on how you can fix Discord screen share option not working. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it really helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.